Oh, small room. Bathroom where the sink used to be. Bathtub still here. Like somebody removed the plumbing. Another bedroom. Small rooms. Oh, there's another one going up to the attic. Looks like I had new plywood put on the roof at some point. Oh, there's another room up here. Insulation. You know, this is bigger rooms up here. Not bad. Well, I'll go back downstairs. This is the attic. I'll go outside. I'll go back down the steps. Go outside. Take a look at it. This is a 245 acre. It's the front porch. Might need some work on the ceiling. Go around back of the garage.
So I wouldn't advise anybody to do that fracking crap. How was that basement? Pretty moldy?
A little bit, yeah.
See, what it did was come up. When it's like that, it starts in the basement, then it moves up.
Gravel
And
floor.
the basement's always the dampest.
Oh, yeah.
And this is bad because the city don't come and cut these. And I would get on the city all the time and say, cut it.